How to identify opportunities. Today, we will explore the various ways to identify opportunities. They often present themselves in unexpected ways, making it crucial for those to possess the ability to recognize and seize them. By developing the right mindset and learning to read the signs around us, we can make the most of our experiences. Let's delve into several techniques and strategies that can aid in uncovering a wealth of opportunities that awaits. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Know exactly what you want. To achieve success in any endeavor, it's a must to know exactly what you want and be able to identify opportunities that help you attain your goals. One must possess a keen understanding of aspirations and have the determination to pursue them tirelessly. Being opportunistic can propel you towards your desired outcome. In essence, having a clear vision and leveraging the available prospects can significantly enhance your chances of realizing your dreams. Number 2. Look for opportunity. Seeking out opportunities is an important aspect of personal and professional growth. To effectively identify opportunities, one must actively look for them and be open to change. By cultivating a curious mindset and keeping an eye on emerging trends, people can better position themselves for success. Embracing this approach not only helps uncover potential prospects, but also prepares us to seize them when they arise. Number 3. Make contacts. Building a strong network of contacts is essential for those who want to elevate and seize new opportunities. Cultivating relationships with individuals who can connect you to the next level is a strategic investment that pays off in numerous ways. By identifying opportunities and leveraging your connections, you can create a solid foundation for future advancements. Not only do these connections open doors to new possibilities, but they also provide invaluable insights and support throughout your professional journey. Number 4. Take risks. Not only is stepping out of your comfort zone a surefire way to personal growth, but it can also open up new opportunities that you never saw coming. By embracing change, taking risks, and exploring unfamiliar territory, you can unlock untapped potential and identify possibilities for advancement. Just as courage and ambition enable entrepreneurs to turn dreams into reality, you too can realize your goals by venturing beyond your comfort zones. So, dare to face your fears and seize every opportunity that comes your way, for it is through this journey that success often emerges. Number 5. Share your skills in vlogs or tutorials. In today's digital age, sharing your skills through vlogs and tutorials can be a powerful way to identify new opportunities and expand your network. By showcasing your expertise and knowledge, you can attract like-minded, potential collaborators who share your passion. Additionally, creating educational content not only showcases your talents, but also establishes your credibility and authority in your field. Number 6. Keep track of accomplishments. Monitoring progress and milestones not only serves as a source of motivation, but also helps to identify areas for improvement and opportunities for further development. By maintaining a comprehensive record of achievements, people can reflect on their journey and make strategic decisions to enhance their skills and expertise. Moreover, this process can inspire an ongoing pursuit of excellence and foster a mindset focused on learning and growth. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 7. Self-development. It's essential to work on self-development in order to identify opportunities that life presents to us. By continuously acquiring new skills, we become better equipped to navigate through the complexities of our personal and professional lives. Embracing self-improvement also empowers us to recognize talents within ourselves and capitalize on them for growth and success. As we journey through life, nurturing our inherent abilities and honing them, we unlock the potential to seize opportunities and sculpt our own destiny. Number 8. Have a mentor. Having a mentor and surrounding yourself with the right people is essential to identifying opportunities. A mentor can provide guidance, advice, and share their experiences, enabling you to make well-informed decisions in both personal and professional aspects of life. By consciously choosing to engage with professionals, you cultivate an environment that encourages growth and seizing chances for success. Actively seeking out and surrounding yourself with those who share similar aspirations can significantly expand your horizons and unlock doors to new possibilities. Number 9. Be observant. By paying close attention to our surroundings, we increase our chances of recognizing valuable prospects. Developing a keen sense of awareness enables us to notice potential chances for growth, improvement, or success even in the most unexpected situations. Ultimately, this habit of vigilance and attentiveness allows us to harness the full potential of opportunities that come our way, paving the path for a fulfilling and prosperous life. Number 10. Become an expert. By honing a specific skill set and accumulating profound knowledge, one can position themselves as an invaluable resource to others. Sharing this expertise not only enhances one's personal development but also empowers others to grow and prosper. Thus, discovering and cultivating your own area of mastery can unveil numerous opportunities you didn't know were even possible. Number 11. Travel. Traveling is an effective way to expand your horizons and find opportunities. Exposure to diverse cultures, languages, and environments can enrich your personal growth. As you journey through new landscapes and meet people from various backgrounds, you uncover unique experiences, opening the door to a world of possibilities. Immerse yourself in these opportunities, and you will find that the lessons learned from traveling could contribute significantly to your success. Number 12. Listen to people. Engaging in meaningful conversations with those from diverse backgrounds can broaden one's perspective and reveal pathways to success that may have remained hidden. The art of active listening not only fosters strong relationships, but also allows one to glean valuable insights from the experiences of others. By being attentive and open to new ideas, we create a strong ground for spotting opportunities that can lead to growth. Number 13. Read. To identify opportunities in life, one must immerse themselves in a vast array of learning materials specific to their industry. Reading articles, journals, newsletters, and books can provide valuable insights into promising trends and spark new ideas. This constant pursuit of knowledge enables one to stay ahead of the curve, adapting to industry fluctuations and capitalizing on potential opportunities. As a result, a well-informed and proactive approach to learning can significantly impact personal and professional growth. Number 14. Think about a service people need. To identify potential opportunities, one must consider the services that people require in their daily lives. These essential services often present avenues for those looking to explore and develop innovative solutions that cater to the public's needs. By analyzing current market trends and anticipating potential future needs, individuals can create successful opportunities that address unmet demands or improve existing services. This process not only fuels the economy, but also improves the quality of life for consumers, making it a vital aspect of opportunity pursuits. Number 15. Confidence is the key. Confidence plays a critical role in identifying and seizing opportunities that life presents. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we are more likely to recognize the potential for growth and success. By being confident, we overcome obstacles and make the most of the chances we encounter, fostering a life filled with endless opportunities. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating,